Let's put our best face forward. Whether finally getting out of the house mask-free, going back to the office, dating again, or walking down the aisle, it's all about wanting to look and feel our best this spring. New York City-based plastic surgeon Dr. Jennifer Levine is here to share spring beauty tips and tricks for a rejuvenated you. Thanks for being here.
Hi, thanks for having me. One of my favorite products is Xeomin. Xeomin is incobotulinum toxin. It is an injectable that's used to treat moderate to severe frown lines, which are those number 11s in between your forehead. And what I love about it is it's uniquely purified. So you get everything you need and nothing that you don't, which is why celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow really love this product. This is a product that is minimally invasive, so it doesn't have any downtime, but you do need to plan ahead because it doesn't work right away. So once you get it injected, it will take a couple of days to start to work and may take 1 to 2 weeks for its full effect. So before a big event, you want to make your appointment about a week before for your best results. Now, how do you know if Xeomin is right for you? Well, certainly you should consult with your doctor before getting this or any other injectable products. And if you'd like some more information about the product, you should go to xeominaesthetic.com for more information.
Oh, thanks so much. And for Everyday Northwest, I'm Nicole DeCosta.